In this video, I'm going to show you how to create signatures in Gmail. So if you want to create custom signatures by using images and links for your email signature, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. The first thing we need to do is head over to the Gmail application, click on the settings icon in the top right hand side, select See All Settings. From here, click on the General tab, and then you need to scroll down until you see Signatures. Once you see a signature from this list, click on Create New, and then just give your signature a name so we can reference back to this later on. Select Create. And now in this right hand window, we can go and design and create our signature. So for example, you could start your signature with some text like this. If you want to customize the text as well, just highlight it like so, and then use the formatting options down here to customize this text. So I can apply some bold to it. I can also change the font color as well as changing the actual font family itself. Now you can also apply links here as well. Maybe you have a website that you want to link to. Now to do this, you would need to click the link icon at the bottom, select the text for your link, and then you would need to type in the URL of your website. Once you've done that, we can click Apply. And then finally, we can also add images to our signature as well. To do that, click on the Insert Image icon, select Google Drive. And if you already have an image uploaded to your Google Drive, then you can select it here. If you've not uploaded your image, click on the Upload button, select Browse. Select the image that you want to use as your signature. I'll just be using this as a demonstration. Select Allow, and as you can see, that's now inserted our image into our email signature. If you select the image, you can also resize this as well. So I'm just going to select small so it fits within this space. Once you're happy with your signature, scroll down to Signature Defaults, and you want to make sure where it says For New Emails Use, and this is where we select the signature that we just created, and we're going to do the same for replies and forwarding as well. Once you're finished, scroll all the way down to the bottom and press Save Changes. And now if I go and compose a new email, you can see we have this signature that automatically appears. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.